As I'm Hi.
I need some help from you, buddy.
Yeah, sure.
I actually had a fall here.
Okay.
So my brake, my gear is jammed.
Okay.
Bike is not starting.
Okay.
So I need some help.
Okay, sure, I will do it. From
Bangalore.
Bangalore. Okay.
To climb up and suddenly the bike like switched off and we ran down.
Your clutch is not working.
I don't know whether the clutch is. No, here it is not cut.
Morning everyone. So good morning from Gangtok itself. And अभी का plan ये है कि now I'm traveling to Changu Lake, that is Somgo Lake. After that I will be covering Nathula Pass, and then I will get down from Nathula Pass and I will go via Zuluk and I will come via Rongli, via Zuluk basically. So आज का itinerary ये है. So Gangtok से पहले Changu Lake से Nathula Pass से Zuluk से निकलते हुए रोंगली होकर के will reach the Sikkim border and then we'll come out to West Bengal and then we'll reach to Siliguri. And the time right now is 8 AM. So yeah guys, we have to leave cause 0 mile जो check post है वहाँ पे हम लोग को अपना permit वगैरह दिखाना होगा, and after showing the permit only we will be allowed to go. So yeah guys, stay tuned and catch you on the bike. So Nathula is 53, Changu Lake is 35. Okay, so reached. Just need to get the permits. यहाँ पे दिखा या वहाँ पे? So done with the permits. Plus third mile, and third mile में आपको दिखाना पड़ता है permit. Nathula मंदिर, Changu Lake. Spot is always broken. ये ब्रिज आज से 3 साल हो गया. 3 साल, हाँ 3 साल के आसपास हो गया इसको. अभी ये तक ये ब्रिज टूटा हुआ ही है. Though they have made an alternate bridge, but यहाँ पे हमेशा ऐसा ही हालत रहता है, कीचड़ मिट्टी. As I'm Hi.
I need some help from you, buddy.
Yeah, sure.
I actually had a fall here.
Okay.
So my brake, my gear is jammed.
Okay.
Bike is not starting.
Okay.
So I need some help.
Okay, sure, I will do it. You guys are from
Bangalore.
Bangalore. Okay.
To climb up and suddenly the bike like switched off and we ran down.
Your clutch is not working.
I don't know whether the clutch is. No, here it is not cut. See, this part is cut.
Okay, this part is. It's broken or it's.
I think.
It's not broken. It's not broken. Wait, I will repair it. Hey guys, so I met this couple who came from Bangalore itself, and unka bike they crashed. They didn't crash actually. They were climbing up and suddenly the CBR got off. and due to that on the slant they fell down. So finally I repaired their bike, and how was the experience?
Yeah, it was a great experience. Thanks to you. You repaired the bike at the right time. You stopped. They were looking at us because normally people didn't even stop. They didn't even ask what is the problem.
Yeah, they don't stop.
Okay, it was good that you stopped and you got the clutch and the gear and the chain fixed for us. Thanks a lot. So
My
now
pleasure.
we're hoping that we will ride together at least till Zuluk, till we climb the hill.
Okay.
Wish you safe journey also.
My pleasure. Chalo guys, meet you ahead. So the couple who was in CBR, their bike fell down and उनका gear अंदर घुस चुका था, side stand अंदर घुस चुका था, chain loose था, जो साड़ी गार्ड का जो लेडीज़ फुट रेस्ट होता है वो घुस चुका था चेन्स पॉकेट के उधर में, and clutch was totally broken. So finally I repaired everything and now they are ready to go. So this is what happens when you learn something. So now let's go and what's wrong with this road? It's very actually stiff. चलो it's already totally cloudy and I feel that it will snow in Nathula. Hope for the best. Speaking, I don't have the front brake, but still I'm riding in a hardcore way and I'm loving it. Just look at the clouds. Don't have front brakes, guys. To be honestly speaking, as I've shown you earlier, मेरा सामने का brake है ही नहीं. I'm just playing with my rear brakes and I'm just making some twists and turns and corners and I'm loving it. फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है सामने का ब्रेक हो नहीं हो. Now you guys must be thinking कि आपके साथ भी अगर होगा तो आप भी ऐसे कर पाओगे. Well, you need a lot of experience, a lot of practice. You need to know so many things regarding the bike, to how to control and everything. Only then you can play with a one brake, that to bike in a very smooth manner. Doesn't matter आपका सामने का ब्रेक हो या नहीं हो. Just look at the clouds. It's coming up and it's getting over there. Cold. It's damn cold. रास्ता खराब. Okay guys, चलो आगे मिलते हैं. Just look at the view. Woohoo! No matter मैं कितना बार भी नाथुला करूँ, जुलुक करूँ, चांगुलेक करूँ, I always feel it's like fresh as new. I'm doing it for the first time. I did गुरुदम्बर लेक 4 बार मैंने किया. फिर भी इस बार जब मैंने किया गुरुदम्बर लेक, it felt like I'm doing it for the first time. Cause I love mountains. I love this kind of twists and turns. Sorry थोड़ा सा मैं फंबल कर रहा हूँ. फंबल इसलिए कर रहा हूँ, मेरा होठ पूरा सूख चुका है. Lack of water, lack of bit oxygen. तो बात जो है ना वो क्लियर नहीं निकलता है. And when you talk so much ना, your body needs a lot of oxygen and the intake is low, right? So अभी थोड़ा सा ऐसा लग रहा है कि थोड़ा सा ऑक्सीजन का कमी है. So मैं बात थोड़ा कम करूँगा and एंड जो व्लॉग है वो ज़्यादा दिखाऊंगा. Changu Lake is more 6 kilometers from here. But you see that green and red color building, 10 रुपये केवल हाउस. वहाँ से वहाँ जाते हैं, फिर वहाँ से और ऊपर जाते हैं. So when you go to Changu Lake, केवल कार ज़रूर करना यार, बहुत मज़ा आता है इसमें. So Changu is more 2 kilometers from here. नाथुला में बर्फ़ ज़रूर मिलेगा. So finally reached Changu Lake. Okay, so this is the Changu Lake. And that's the ropeway. अभी क्या करूँ? It's already 11. अगर 12 बजे से मैंने नाथुला नहीं पहुंचा तो they won't allow us to go Nathula. Okay guys, so I'm leaving this place, and next time I will try to explore that ropeway, and I promise that next time whenever I come to Nathula, so by within a month or so, if I come, then I will show you. And chalo, now leaving from this place, and now let's go to the Nathula and other places. Let's go. So this is the Changu Lake, which is also known as Somgo Lake. So now from here Nathula is 18 kilometers. So chalo guys, let's go, and अभी आगे चलते हैं, and let's continue towards Nathula Pass, which is the China border. So Nathula is 17 kilometers, Yakla 8, Thegu is 4. So these all are small places, you don't need to remember these names. So you can see that is the entire Changu Lake. मैंने बोला था ना नाथुला में शायद बर्फ गिरा हुआ रहेगा. See this. So that is Nathula. Those are the other border bunkers I can see. वो देखो पहाड़ में पूरा बर्फ गिरा हुआ है. So finally Nathula Pass में बर्फ है. So I did Nathula, Changu Lake in the month of March end, 1.5 year or 2 years ago. I don't remember specifically. If you want to see roads filled with snow and all, go and watch that video. उस वीडियो का जो थंबनेल है इधर इस वीडियो के बाद में रहेगा, या फिर इसका जो लिंक है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया रहेगा. सो आप अगर फुल्ली ये जो रोड है ये सारा रोड बर्फ़ से भरा हुआ था, एंड आई वॉज राइडिंग अबव द स्नो. सो अगर आपको वो वाला वीडियो देखना है तो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है. गो एंड क्लिक दैट एंड वॉच द स्नो इन नाथुला व्लॉग ऑफ माई चैनल, जो मैं पल्सर 220 लेके किया था. इट्स वेरी कोल्ड, इट्स गेटिंग फ्रोजन एक्चुअली. ओनली 7 किलोमीटर, नाथुला इज 7 किलोमीटर्स. So done with the permit. मैंने नीचे जो गेट था उसमें मैंने सारा परमिट वगैरह का काम कर लिया, एंड Now this road is leading towards Nathula Pass. So gave the permit, and I didn't show the gate and all everything because it's not allowed, and even I won't show. So it's that top. This road will go in this way, that way, that way, that way. फिर ऊपर जाके Nathula Pass आएगा. So happy. I have done Nathula Pass more than 10 times, but as I told that whenever I travel, I feel like it's always new for me. This is Nathula Pass, the red color building that you see, and it's snowing. It's not snowing, it actually snowed over there. It's so beautiful, man. Wow! And there are 5 lakes, 1, 2, there are 3 another over there. So there are 5 lakes, you know, which you can see from the top. From that point you can see there are 5 lakes. It's very beautiful. The Indian flag. Proud of it, man. It gives me goosebumps when I see, you know, Indian flags waving in the border area. Seriously, it's a very proud moment for us who have got such a beautiful, lovely border. It's so filled with snow, man. And you can see the crowd. कितने लोग जा रहे हैं ऊपर. So finally I'm heading towards the Nathula Pass. So this is the war memorial. So I met this lovely family. They are from Kolkata itself. So what's your name?
My name is Sandeep Shah.
And
Bhavna Shah.
They're from Kolkata, and they're going towards Nathula Pass. So I met with them, clicked some amazing photographs. Lovely people. Great to see a adventurous family who is coming till such a height with their daughter, and they're doing it solo.
Absolutely.
So it's great. It's great to meet with
It's
them.
very nice of Mr. Niladri to be here. Young, aspiring adventurers. We got to learn so much from him, and we are going to do the next trip to the place which has shown all the
Gurudamba Lake.
photographs. Gurudamba Lake.
Yes.
And we will have a lot of selfies together.
And then we'll post it on Instagram for you all.
Chalo guys, bye bye. See you ahead.
Bye.
Okay guys, so I'm shooting this vlog in home cause over there I couldn't end up the vlog cause वहाँ पे काफ़ी ठंड लग गया था, and ये part जो है मैंने continue रखा था till बाबा मंदिर, जुलूक एंड देन सिलीगुड़ी. सो ये पार्ट काफ़ी लंबा हो जा रहा था, इसलिए मैंने उसको बीच से उसको बंद कर दिया ताकि ये व्लॉग यहीं पे एंड हो सके. एंड नेक्स्ट जो व्लॉग आएगा जो कि जुलूक का होगा वो नाथुला पास से जुलूक तक का होगा. So yeah guys, I hope so you guys have liked this vlog. If you have liked something in this video, then do press the like button. If you have something to comment, then do comment down in the comment section box, and you can share this vlog with the people and with your friends, with your biker friends, so that they can get to see and know about this Nathula Pass, which is the Indo-China border in Sikkim. So with all that said, thank you so much guys for watching this vlog once again. So you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is NILADRI. You can also follow my Facebook page, that is NILADRI, and you can also follow me on Twitter, that is NILADRI. इन लोगों को काफ़ी सारे queries है regarding Nathula Pass, regarding some permit issues and queries. So they can mail me. My mail ID will be in the description box below. This is in the about section page of my YouTube channel. With all that said guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog. Bye bye, take care, and yes, do ride hard, ride safe. Goodbye.